Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sonali. Let me quickly go ahead and explain to you guys who am I. So I'm a content creator, a YouTube content creator. I'm trying really hard to grow my channel and I'm being consistent on it daily. So yeah, if you like my videos, then please go ahead and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. I post a lot of hauls, lifestyle videos, vlogs, fashion related content. So if you like all of these things, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification, the bell notification जो subscribe बटन के पास ही होता है. Please turn on that and like and share on all of my videos so that I can grow a little bit. But other than that, today's video is about first impressions of these makeup products which I got as my birthday gift. मैंने नायका हॉल किया था, उसी का आज मैं फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन करने वाली हूँ एंड मुझे काफ़ी मज़ा आया वीडियो करते हुए. तो आप लोगों को भी अगर मज़ा लेना है इस वीडियो का, देखना है मैंने कैसे ये लुक क्रिएट किया, देन प्लीज़ ये वीडियो देखते रहिए. So guys, I'm sure that you guys have read the title by now. You guys have understood what I'm going to do. But let me just quickly explain it to you that these are all of the makeup products that I received during my birthday from my sister and my mom. So these are all very new products to me and I'm going to try each one of them except the sheet mask and MAC because I've used both of these and they are amazing. My review for them is amazing, but other than that everything is new and I have not used them even once, so I'm going to try it and give you guys an honest total review about it. And yeah, let's just get started. But before that, let me just prep my skin because I don't have any moisturizer over here, so I'll just prep my skin and do my base products and then come back and meet you guys. So guys, I'm done with my base and now I'm going to use concealer. So for concealer I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer which is in the shade 3, I guess. I will mention it in the screen or in the description box below, but I'm using this new Swiss Beauty concealer of course because I want to review it, that is the reason. Oh yes, it is shade number 3 light Moyen. You can see it right over here. Wait a minute. So it is shade number 3 light oil. So you are going to quickly unbox it and this is how the concealer looks like. It is in a pretty glass bottle with a little detail. I'm going to quickly grab my mirror because I have to see in the mirror and apply my concealer. And yeah. Because I want a little coverage there. The concealer, from the first impression of it, the concealer has a little fragrance and that is something I don't think a concealer should have, but it does. So yeah, that is something I'm a little skeptical about. But moving on, I'm using this sponge which is by Forever 21. I showed you guys this sponge, but unfortunately I did not put it in water last night, so I can't use that. But this is the exact same sponge in a peach shade. And this sponge works pretty fine. We will go and blend this concealer quickly. So guys, you can see the concealer blended pretty quickly and I thought it was a little light for my skin. I was very nervous because it was light for my skin. I thought I could highlight, but now that I have applied the concealer, it has totally matched my skin tone, so I'm pretty happy about it. I thought it was light but it matched my skin tone, so thumbs up for that. And also the concealer blended pretty easily and pretty quickly, so that is pretty good. If a concealer blends very easily, then that is a lot easier. I used the Maybelline Fit Me ka concealer and that is great, and this is great too. From my first impression, I really like this product. This is very nice. You can actually go ahead and buy this because it blends pretty easily and it's pretty smooth and the texture is good. The but the concealer is very nice and it blended very easily. It's so nice and buttery soft, so I give a thumbs up to this concealer. And yeah, I just really like this product, this concealer from the first go. So now we will move on to the next product. I will just blend my concealer a little bit more. I don't think any more blending is needed, but I'll still, and I'll meet you guys. So guys, now that our concealer is set and it is in place, it is put together, we will just set our face, set our concealer so that it does not crease, I guess. I don't know that much about makeup, but yeah, we will set our face. So for setting, we will use this MAC Studio Fix powder, and it is in the shade NC30. Yeah, it works pretty well for me. Before I got this product, I got it in 2017 or 18 first. That was my first buy. It was gifted to me, actually. It was gifted to my sister, so that was the first time I used it, and I thought it was very light for my shade, but the shade worked fine. So from that day onwards, we purchased the same shade, which is NC30, and I used this product multiples of time, but I wanted to show you guys this. I'm not using this because I still have my Purana Studio Fix, so I use this. And the review about this is okay, I'm going to use this brush first. Let me show you. This is the brush I'm going to be using, and the review about this is nothing like, it's not a first review because I have used this product a lot of times, and when I say a lot of times, I really do mean a lot of times, because even if I don't want to apply any makeup, I just apply my moisturizer and just set my face with this MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm good to go. So if you want to invest in something expensive or high-end, go for this. It will not disappoint you. It's a very, very good product. So yeah, without talking anymore, we will move forward to the next product. I'm sorry for this Julia, but we'll move forward to the next product. So the next product that we have over here are eyeshadow. Now we'll move on to the eyes. Of course, we have to use the eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I have two options. Let me just clear all of this. Okay, so for eyeshadow I have two options. One is the Nikake palette in the shade Birthday Cake, and the second one is the Swiss Beauty palette, and it is in the shade number 04. It's a very beautiful palette. So I have both of these palettes, and I'm confused which one to use, but I think I'll use both of this and try to create something. I'm not going to create anything very good because I'm not a pro in makeup, but yeah, I'll try to do something. So let me just open both of the palettes. So guys, I finally have decided that what I want to do with both of these palettes. So firstly, I'll use this Swiss Beauty palette in the shade 4, and I'll take this shade and this shade, this one, the white shade and the light shade from here, and try to kind of powder conceal my eyes, and then I'll move on to this palette and create the eye look. So firstly, let me use these both shades to powder conceal my eyes, and for that I'm using this brush. It was a gift from Colorbar. I guess I bought a eyeliner and they gifted this brush to me, but eyeliner मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया, पर उससे भी ज़्यादा मुझे brush पसंद आया. So I'm going to use this. It's a very nice brush. I'm going to use this and powder conceal my eyes. So firstly I'll use this white shade, and then I'll go to the lighter shade. So guys, off the camera I also did this eye, and this is a pretty good palette. It surprised me, but in a good way. I didn't expect it to be as pigmented, because when I swatched it, it was not this good, but I don't know if I was wrong or what, but the color has came out pretty good, and it is pretty pigmented. There is a little fallout in this, but there was a fallout in this as well, so that is not an issue, but the color is pretty pigmented. It's a pretty red color. You guys might be seeing pink in camera, that's my phone's fault, but other than that, the color is pretty pigmented and blended very quickly, blended very easily, so that is a plus point for it. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal a little bit on both of my eyes, and use another color from this palette, the Swiss Beauty palette, and then use the yellow on the corner of my eyes. So let's see how I create this look. So guys, for concealing my eyes, I'm using this brush. It is from the company Vega, if I'm not wrong, and yeah, let me just conceal my eyes. blended in very quickly, so that is a good point for that. But now moving forward, we will use this Swiss Beauty palette again, and I will use the shade Golden, this color from this palette, and use it in the tip of my eye. Yeah, and for that I will use the same color bar brush once again, and let me just take out the excess. I think I'll use this brush. I'll use the Vega brush for the golden color, and let me just, okay, it's I think you can see the golden color on the brush. Let's just go ahead and use this. I mean, what is this beauty? It's amazing. Can you just see the golden color? It's so freaking beautiful, looks so damn good. Really impressed with this palette. Really impressed with this palette. Amazing shades, amazing pigmentation. Oh, love it. And about this palette, it has like seriously surprised me, because I didn't expect it to be as good as it is. But the palette is really good for 350 rupees. Please just close your eyes and have blind faith on it. Pretty good palette. It's just, I'm so surprised with this palette, because I didn't expect it to be this good, because when I swatched it was not this good. But yeah, it's pretty good. Now I'll quickly go in and use this yellow shade from this Nika K palette in the inner corner of my eyes. So I will just, so guys, I'll use this brush from the company Vega, and then use this yellow color shade in the inner corner of my eyes, and let's see how that goes. Okay, the pigmentation of yellow is quite good, as you can see in this brush. It is quite nice. Let's see. I really hope I don't destroy my eyelid, because I really like it today. But okay. So guys, I'm not sure if you can see the yellow pigment on my eyes, but it is there. But overall, this look has turned out better than I kind of hoped it to be. It is looking so gorgeous, and I'm not doing तारीफ of my makeup. मैं अपने मेकअप की तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट सच्ची में वाकई में अच्छा, और मुझे तो इतना भी वो नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि मेरे मेकअप स्किल्स बहुत गंदे हैं. बट थैंक्स to both of these palettes, the Swiss Beauty one and the Nika K one, that the makeup has turned out this good. I'm really impressed with both of the palettes. इस पैलेट से तो मैं थी ही नायका के हॉल से, सो इसका इंप्रेशन तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. पिगमेंट भी बहुत अच्छा है. थोड़ा फॉल आउट होता है, बट वो सभी पैलेट्स में होता है. सो आप बंद करके इसको आप खरीद सकते हो. इसका प्राइस 260 या 300 ऐसा कुछ था. बट इस पैलेट ने मुझे बहुत सरप्राइज़ किया है, दैट टू इन अ गुड वे. मुझे इससे ज़रा भी उम्मीद नहीं थी, बट इट्स अ प्रिटी नाइस पैलेट. और 350 रुपीज़ में आपको इतने ब्राइट कलर्स मिल रहे हैं, इतने अच्छे कलर्स मिल रहे हैं, और ज़्यादा मैट शेड्स मिल रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ 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 गो ahead and buy this, because it's a really nice palette, and I'm just really obsessed with my eye look. And yeah, so we'll move forward to the next product now that our eyeshadow is done. Yeah, it is done. Now we'll move on to the next product, which is kajal. Yes, I apply kajal, but today I'm going to apply this Swiss Beauty का gel काजल in the shade electric blue. क्योंकि आई लुक इतना कलरफुल हुआ है, तो काजल भी कलरफुल कर ही देते हैं. दिस इज़ व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक, एंड इट्स अ प्रीटी गुड काजल, बिकॉज जब मैंने इसको स्वॉच किया था वो बहुत बटरी सॉफ्ट था. नाउ विल स्वॉच इट इन आवर आइज. कैन यू guys see like the blue tint? God, I absolutely love it. Like, I really love it. It's so good, it glides on so easily. But the real test it, I wanted to use this as an eyeliner as well as an eyeshadow kind of. So I have an eyeliner over here, which is the Maybelline High हाइपर ग्लॉसी, बट ये मैंने बहुत बार रिव्यू किया है आप लोगों के लिए, यानी बहुत बार आप लोगों को बोला है कैसा ही है। तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस एज माई आई लाइनर ऑल्सो, और फिर मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि ये असल में कैसा है। सो गाइज ऑफ कैमरा मैंने आई लाइनर भी लगा लिया, एंड एज यू गाइज कैन सी द स्विस ब्यूटी जेल काजल हैज़ डन अ pretty good job, and I'm really अप्रिशिएटिव अबाउट इट, बिकॉज एज अ काजल भी काम आया एंड एज अ आई लाइनर भी, और काफ़ी बटरी सॉफ्ट है, ऐसे इजीली ग्लाइड ऑन हो गया, तो दैट इज़ प्रिटी गुड अबाउट इट। और इनका शेड रेंज भी काफ़ी बड़ा है। जब मैंने नायका पे देखा था तो बहुत सारा शेड्स था इसमें, टर्क्वाइज, वाइट, सिल्वर, बहुत सारा था, एंड इसका प्राइस भी शायद 239 या ऐसा कुछ था, तो प्रिटी अफोर्डेबल है। और आप इसको 3 वे में यूज़ कर सकते हो, आई शेडो, आई लाइनर एंड काजल। सो या आई थिंक यू कैन गो अहेड एंड बाय दिस इफ़ यू वांट टू। एंड नाउ वी कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड टू आवर आईब्रोज। वैसे तो मैं आईब्रो करती नहीं हूँ, पर आज मैं ट्राई करूँगी। सो गाइस आईब्रो के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे ये पेंसिल जो है आई एम सॉरी, दिस इज़ स्विस ब्यूटी का आईब्रो पेंसिल, और इसके यहाँ पर एक स्पूली भी है। सो मैं ट्राई करूँगी, मुझे आईब्रो बनाना आता नहीं है, सो अगर कुछ गलत हो तो मुझे माफ़ कर देना, बट मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ। तो गाइस अब मैं इससे अपना आईब्रोज फिल करूँगी। हो गया है, एंड कुछ ऐसे गंदे से तो बनाया मैंने अपने आईब्रोज, बट हाँ कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा आईब्रो थोड़ा बनाने के बाद। आई थिंक ये मेरे लुक को स्पॉइल कर रहा है, पर मुझे नहीं पता। एंड अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, और आगे का स्टेप है ब्लश और हाइलाइटर। सो ब्लश और हाइलाइटर के लिए भी मेरे पास एक नया पैलेट है जो कि है स्विस ब्यूटी की तरफ से। इट इज़ द स्विस ब्यूटी बेक ब्लशर एंड हाइलाइटर पैलेट, और मैं इसको पहले खोल लेती हूँ। तो गाइस कुछ ऐसा लगता है ये पैलेट खोलने के बाद, और इसमें है ब्रॉन्ज़र, ब्लश और 2 हाइलाइट्स। ब्रॉन्ज़र तो खैर मैं नहीं कर सकती इससे क्योंकि बहुत चमकी है इसमें, बट हाँ ऐसा है ये पैलेट। और मैं ये वाला पिंक शेड यूज़ करके अपना ब्लश लगाऊंगी, और उसके लिए मैं ये ब्रश यूज़ कर रही हूँ जो कि एक गिफ्ट था मेरे मम्मी की साइड से। सो मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा लिया है और मैंने उसको डस्ट ऑफ भी कर दिया है। अब मैं ऐसे पागल के जैसे दिख के ब्लश लगाऊंगी। सो गाइस मैंने ब्लश लगा लिया है, और अब इस सेम पैलेट की मदद से मैं हाइलाइटर्स लगाऊंगी, ये 2 शेड को मिक्स करके इसी ब्रश की मदद से। सो मैं इसको पहले थोड़ा सा चिपटा लूँगी, कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा ये, और फिर मैं ये 2 शेड यहाँ से टैप ऑन करूँगी, और अब मैं हाइलाइटर को लगाऊँगी। पक रहा है मेरे नाक और गाल वगैरह। सो हाँ ये इस हाइलाइटर का देन है, पर मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज़ कहना है कि ये पैलेट बिल्कुल भी गंदा नहीं है, ये पैलेट काफ़ी अच्छा है। और कितना 300-400 रुपये का ये पैलेट आता है, तो काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल भी है और काफ़ी अच्छा है। बट सिर्फ एक कौन है इसका, या एक ख़राबी है इसकी कि ये पैलेट आप हर रोज़ या एवरीडे बेसिस पे नहीं यूज़ कर सकते। सिर्फ आप अगर किसी ओकेशन में या शादी फंक्शन में जा रहे हो तभी यूज़ कर सकते हो, क्योंकि इसके सारे शेड्स में काफ़ी चमकी ग्लिटर्स है। इसलिए मुझे ये 50-50 लगा, उतना भी अच्छा नहीं लगा, उतना भी ख़राब नहीं है। पर किसी नाइट ओकेशन में आप ये कैरी कर सकते हो, काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा। पर एवरीडे यूज़ के लिए आपको दूसरे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे। तो हाँ ये बस यही ख़राब लगा, वैसे ये काफ़ी अच्छा है, बट बहुत चमकी है जो मुझे उतना नहीं पसंद। मुझे थोड़े सटल हाइलाइटर्स पसंद है। तो गाइस क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई उसको क्या कहते हैं, लिप लाइनर नहीं है, मैं लिप लाइनर नहीं यूज़ करने वाली क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई लिप लाइनर नहीं है। बट हम डायरेक्टली इस लिपस्टिक को यूज़ कर लेंगे। और कुछ ऐसा लगता है ये लिपस्टिक रियलिटी में थोड़ा डार्क है, लाइक अगर आप इसको बार बार यूज़ करोगे तो थोड़ा डार्क हो जाएगा। पर यहाँ पर बहुत पिंक दिख रहा है, पर उतना पिंक नहीं है, थोड़ा ये डार्क है। बट इस लिपस्टिक का फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन काफ़ी अच्छा है, ये बहुत बटरी सॉफ्ट है। यहाँ के सभी प्रोडक्ट्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं और मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ अपने बर्थडे गिफ्ट्स नायका से जो आए हैं। बट इस लिपस्टिक का एक गलत क्या बात है कि ये 2-3 घंटे में ख़राब हो जाएगा, चला जाएगा अगर आप कुछ खाना वाना खा रहे हो या कुछ भी। इसलिए मैं इसको अगर मुझे कहीं जाना है जहाँ मुझे लिपस्टिक लगेगा वहाँ पर तो नहीं वेयर कर सकती, पर ऐसे काफ़ी अच्छा है। अगर आपको 2-3 घंटे के लिए कोई लिपस्टिक पहनना है जो सुपर मैट नहीं हो तो आप ज़रूर खरीद सकते हो इस लिपस्टिक को, काफ़ी अच्छा है, शेड भी काफ़ी प्यारा है। सो हाँ, अब हमारा मेकअप हो चुका है पूरा, बट हम इसको सेट करेंगे। तो सेटिंग के लिए मैं यूज़ करूँगी ये स्विस ब्यूटी का मेकअप फिक्सर नेचुरल, और मैं इसको पहली बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ। ऑफकोर्स सभी प्रोडक्ट्स में पहली बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट ये मैंने काफ़ी सुना था काफ़ी यूट्यूबर्स से, सो मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ उसको यूज़ करने के लिए। एंड इसको पहले हम थोड़ा शेक कर लेंगे और फिर इसका कैप खोलेंगे। सो आप देख सकते हो कि मैं पूरा मेकअप फिक्सर से नहा चुकी हूँ। तब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा सेट होने दूँगी और मैं मिलती हूँ अपना ड्रेस चेंज करने के बाद। सो गाइज, आई हैव groomed up, I'm all groomed up, and this is the final look. This is how my makeup looks like, and yeah, this is just me. These are my earrings, my necklace, and then I'm wearing this top which is from Forever 21, and this shrug is from Max in case you wanted to know. But this is how my makeup has turned out pretty well with all of the newbies. I'm really loving this makeup look. I'm gonna take some pictures, but yeah, I just quickly wanted to give you an impression again in case you could not understand what I said in the entire video. I just wanted to tell you guys that the first thing, this is really considered is pretty good. Nice, you can go for this. It is worth the hype, worth all of the rage. So you can go for this. Then the sponge is again pretty good. I've used it. If you want an affordable sponge, grab it from your nearest Forever 21 store. Then the Palladio lipstick stays on for 2 to 3 hours, but that is the only con. It's pretty smooth, glides on easily, so it is again very good. Then NC30, amazing product. Invest, go ahead and invest in this, very good product. Then we will move on to the palette. This is the highlighter and brusher palette. काफ़ी अच्छा है, it's very good, but अगर आप कोई रात में इवेंट देखने जा रहे हो, ओकेशन में जा रहे हो, तभी काम आ सकता है, क्योंकि इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ, इसमें काफ़ी चंकी ग्लिटर्स है, and it consists of very chunky glitters, so it is the only con about this product. But other than that, it's a pretty glam up product, so if you want to glam up, please go ahead and buy this. But chunky glitters hai. So again, this product which disappointed me in the Nykaa haul, but it kind of surprised me in this haul. So the star of the whole video of today is this product, because it's a pretty nice palette for 350 rupees, amazing bright shades. So please, if you want, go ahead and buy this, and do not mind my review in the Nykaa haul, because the swatches didn't came out good, but the eye look amazing. So I'm sorry Nykaa, but you are amazing if the product is amazing, so go ahead and buy this. Then comes the Swiss Beauty palette. Again, I've already said it's a very good palette. Pigmentation and all is very good in both of these palettes, so of course you want to buy this, you can go ahead and buy this, purchase this. It's a pretty affordable warm shade, warm tones kind of eyeshadow palette. Then this makeup fixer is amazing. It has a very, not floral, but it has a very calming scent. I don't know, calming aroma, if that makes any sense, but it has a very good fragrance, so that is pretty good about it. Also, I would like to mention one thing, that this product has an aroma, so if you guys have a problem with your concealers having a little bit of aroma and fragrance, then please do not buy this, because it has a little aroma, but it is worth the hype and it's so amazing. So yeah, that is that. But that is the review of all of these products. So yeah, with that we come to the end of the video. So if you liked this video, if you liked my first impressions video and my makeup, then please go ahead and like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and comment down below what video would you want to see next, and if you guys would be seeing an interesting hauls. If you want to know where these jewelries are from, you guys have to wait. All of the hauls will be coming in the month of August, जुलाई का एंड होने का है, अगस्त में आ जाएगा, क्योंकि जुलाई में मेरा एग्ज़ाम है. So that is that, सब आने वाला है. And if you enjoyed today's video and my makeup look, then please go ahead and give this a thumbs up, like, share, comment and all of my videos. And with that we'll end the video. I'll meet you guys in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, love you guys.